So Kyra, what's been up these days?
I thought Alina तुम्हारी girlfriend है तुम्हें बताती होगी नहीं? But honestly, nothing much, man. My courses are about to start in Pakistan, and moving back is exhausting. I'm just thinking about taking a scuba diving trip with my sister. You know how much I love that stuff, right?
Yeah, well, Kyra's always been a firecracker. बचपन में याद है, back in the 5th grade or something, she always had the wildest stories to tell, यार.
यार Kyra, I think you moved to Toronto in the 6th grade, है ना?
Well, my dad got a job in Toronto, and we all just decided to move with him.
So what's brought you back?
Sameer.
No, it's okay. My parents split up, and my mom really wanted to come back to Pakistan, so here I am.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know. I'm actually very sorry. But since now you're back, we're going to Salah's farmhouse party this Saturday, and you're going with us.
Oh my God, yeah, man, party करते हैं.
Sameer, do we have to, man?
हारिस तुझे पता है मैं तेरे बगैर कहीं नहीं जाता. So yes, we're all going this weekend to the party.
Alina, चले?
Wait, तुम लोग जा रहे हो? Alina, why don't you come over to my place? We could watch a movie or something.
Kyra, basically मेरे और Alina के plans थे after lunch, so if you don't mind, I'm sorry, but किसी और time से.
Haris, how about you go home? मैं खुद घर आ जाऊंगी, है ना? हाँ, तो I will call you.
चलो समीर, मैं तुम्हें ड्रॉप करता हूँ, आ जाओ मेरे साथ. समीर यार, तुम्हें अलाइना का बिहेवियर पिछले कुछ हफ्तों से अजीब सा नहीं लग रहा? यार हम लोग का कोई कनेक्शन ही नहीं है अब. लाइक एवरीथिंग इज फॉलिंग अपार्ट. आई एम सो कंफ्यूज्ड.
Haris, I don't know, man. तेरा relationship है. How would I know about the dynamics of it all?
यार मैं 1 साल से उसके साथ हूँ यार. लाइक हमारे पेरेंट्स एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. यार मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा.
तेरी फैमिली को पता है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि you love her by the way.
ऑफ कोर्स यार समीर, आई लव हर यार. मतलब क्या कह रहे हो तुम?
Last I remember you asked her out because it was a date and she thought it was serious. जिस relationship की foundation ही ऐसी हो वो कितना ही real हो सकता है. Just go with the flow, man.
समीर, आई गेस यार.
So this was fun. I'm gonna go. Bye.
Can I hug you?
Sure. All right. Bye.
हेलो लाइना, कैसी हो?
All good.
यू सीम लिटिल बिजी. इज दिस अ बैड टाइम? हमारी काफ़ी अरसे से बात नहीं हुई भी. आई थॉट मे बी आज बात कर लें.
Oh yeah, it's just that Kyra's over.
Alina, look at this
and-
skirt. I don't know.
हाँ, just give me a second. हाँ, sorry Haris, what were you saying?
We're on for tomorrow, right? वैसे भी like we didn't meet after the party. और समीर के साथ भी like मेरी ख़त्म हो गई है, तो I'm hoping we'd meet.
हाँ, sorry Haris, what did you say?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि हम लोग मिल रहे हैं कल at Kausar 2 PM. तुम भूल गए हो हमारे प्लान को?
हाँ, चलो. Okay, bye.
Acha, Alina, are you gonna tell him tomorrow?
I'm gonna tell him.
Are you sure you wanna do this?
Kyra, I'm doing this for myself.
Tu landi pics like that Tharaki nu hit right back, hit right tera vakhra hai flow. I knew this from before, yeah. Hale vi fit like that, fit like legs out.
Thank you so much for doing this, Sameer. It means the world to me. Like मेरी first episode है और तुम feature हो रहे हो. Like I am genuinely a big fan.
नहीं, thank you so much for having me.
अच्छा तो if you're ready तो शुरू करें. Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of Faces Behind Faces. I am Bisma Khan and today our guest is the very interesting and dynamic young man Sameer Khan. Hello Sameer, welcome to the show. How are you?
All good. Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
No, the pleasure is all mine. So Sameer, we all know you as this Instagram model, influencer, but I want to know who is the real Sameer Khan? Like who is the person behind it all? So tell me a little bit about yourself. What was it like growing up before you blew up?
So basically, I don't remember life before social media. When I made my Instagram account public, that's when I found myself. I was raised by a single mother. My father wasn't always around. He was never around actually. And I was the only child. So aap khud hi andaza laga le how lonely it must have been. And I think I can express better, in a better way, through social media.
But I'm glad you have an avenue, you know. But I feel like social media obviously has its pros and cons, but surely the internet has connected us to the entire world. Earlier you mentioned that you're an only child. So, तुम्हारे तो बहुत दोस्त होंगे ना फिर?
Not really. But if I'm being completely honest with you, I've had friends, some very close ones. But at one point or the other, it goes wrong. Something always goes wrong. And I've come to an understanding that everybody has certain skeletons in their closet. Me, you, everybody here, I believe. So I try to stay away, avoid the drama and everything as much as I can. And I like to keep things to myself. I mean, that's how I process. Excuse me, pani mil sakta hai thoda sa please?
हाँ, sure. पानी. So, Sameer, I was at that party and you had a fight. Do you want to talk about it?
I don't want to talk about it.
नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए पूछा because like everyone is talking about it.
Yeah, well, everyone is, but I don't want to talk about that topic.
I thought we were just like having a casual conversation. We're not recording. Just
Yeah, I can see that, but I personally don't want to talk about that topic specifically.
like I love a good tea, you know. So
I'm not here for the tea, I'm here for the interview. Can we just cut this fucking interview?
Arwari sutta track nawa ohi yaar mere naal they still back me up. Yaad aande tere nakhre used to crack me up. Yaad aande tere nakhre used to crack me up. Yeah. Arwari sutta track nawa ohi yaar mere naal they still back me up. Yaad aande tere nakhre used to crack me up. Aande tere nakhre used to crack me up. Cold words sanu kar dita call babe. Tada pyar labna nahi kete hor babe. Nahi bolo da hale bhi tera foreplay. Wish that you would know that mere utte kite band jinne dove. Yeah, main aap pe sare kholte. Tenu gussa sari gallan kari bolte.
तुम्हारे बालों को क्या हुआ है?
I just got bored and wanted to try something new.
I thought you loved your blonde hair, Alina.
I thought I loved a lot of things.
खैर anyway, कैसी हो तुम?
I don't know, how have you been holding up after the whole Sameer thing? And I'm sorry I left the party early that day.
Honestly, Alina यार, मुझे नहीं पता यार. मुझे नहीं पता कि यार ये सब क्या हो रहा है यार. उसको मैंने इतने कॉल्स की, उसको मैंने इतने टेक्स्ट किए. He wouldn't respond. खैर, तुम छोड़ो. तुम कैसी हो?
As good as I can be.
क्या मतलब यार अलाइना? मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही यार, ये सब क्या हो रहा है? हम खुश थे, हम स्टेबल थे, अब हर चीज इतनी डिफरेंट क्यों है? मुझे मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने भी छोड़ दिया यार. आई एक्चुअली थॉट कि मैं सिर्फ तुमसे बात कर सकता हूँ, बट अब नहीं कर सकता, मैं तुमसे भी बात नहीं कर सकता. देखो लाइना, I just know that I love you, Alaina. I love you, Alaina. Alaina, तुम सुन रही हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ यार? I just said that I love you.
हाँ हारिस, मैं सुन रही हूँ. It's just that a lot of thoughts are crossing my mind these days. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कुछ भी.
I know, Alaina. I know, I get that. ठीक है, मेरे भी. But हम इसमें साथ नहीं हैं. Aren't we in this together? देखो, मैंने भी तुम्हें क्या बोला यार पहले? I love you, Alaina.
No, we're not, Haris. We're not in this together. And I just don't love you. And I'm not gonna apologize for that because मुझे पता है कि तुम भी नहीं करते. Dude, हम बच्चे थे when we got together. We never knew what love was.
तो ये क्या था लाइना? हम दोनों क्यों साथ थे?
Because of society, Haris. Because this is what teenagers our age are expected to do. Dude, हमारी families एक दूसरे को जानती थी, सब कुछ perfect था. सब compatible लगता है on the outside, but it's not. And I have been lying to myself. I have not been truthful. And perhaps for that I am sorry. I've lied about who I am, Haris, who I identify as. But शायद मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता था, शायद मैंने झूठ नहीं बोला. लेकिन तुम हारिस, तुम क्यों थे मेरे साथ?
लाइना, क्योंकि मैं सेल्फिश हूँ, ठीक है, और तुम भी सेल्फिश हो. एंड सेल्फिशनेस comes from lack of self-worth that this world has gifted us. मेरी कोई self-worth नहीं है और ना ही तुम्हारी कोई self-worth है. इसीलिए हम साथ हैं, इसीलिए ये रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, लेकिन असल में they are always hollow.
That's what you think, Haris. इस तरह जिंदगी नहीं गुजरती. Listen, I am trying to build that self-worth by discovering myself, and so should you. But please, Haris, please पहले अपने आप को ढूंढो और फिर इतने बड़े दावे करना about love and what not.
तो अब क्या लाइना?
Nothing, my love. Just what should have happened ages ago. I am walking away for myself and for you. Listen, I need and I crave other things in life, and so should you.
देखो लाइना, calm down, ठीक है, relax. देखो, मैं तुम्हारे बगैर नहीं रह सकता लाइना. Please just don't leave, please don't leave, लाइना.
Haris, I've already left. Look around, man. Goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना.
कहते थे सारे दिल न लगावे, सौदा नहीं चलना, हार गया जे.
Hello?
There's a party tonight at 7 p.m. E7 में. I've added your name to the invite list. Be there.
Will Samir be there?
बताऊँ? Something tells me you actually want to be with Samir. Am I right?
It's none of your business. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. I'm gonna go get ready anyway.
Why do you think Alaina left me?
Because she was never yours to begin with.
Why did I keep trying for so long when I knew it wasn't real?
Perhaps we like the comfort that comes with stability, even when that's not the case. तुम्हारी girlfriend थी. She was supposed to be everything and you bought that. You gave in to the concept, not the person.
मेरी गलती है.
है. But how do you feel?
Oddly free. I guess वो सही कह रही थी. I'm happy. और वैसे भी you're the only girl who has ever mattered to me. Do you get that?
Strange times have come my way now. I feel like I've been lost inside you. My love, call me crazy now, 'cause I done lost it to my mind.